There's a quick and easy way to use your Q-Series Q-matic system with the belts engaged to help you do straight line quilting. No fuss, I promise, super easy. Let me show you how it's done. I'm Susan Smith, and I help machine quilters by pulling back the curtain on my own quilting studio and my day-to-day projects and showing you some of the tips and tricks that I've learned about my machine. Let's have a look at some straight line quilting today. Here's a look at the beautiful straight line texture that we're creating. So that's the goal. Here's how it's done. This is my Bernina Q24, her name is Stella, and I've got the horizontal belt unattached so that she can move very freely from edge to edge, just like she would for free motion quilting. But the vertical belt I've got engaged so that there is resistance when I go to move forwards or back. Enough resistance that when I'm quilting, it will hold a perfectly straight line. But the cool thing about this is I can use an easy glide feature which aids in the movement. So though there's resistance when I initially push, if I push a little harder, all of a sudden Stella starts to glide. So what this enables me to do is quilt my horizontal line perfectly straight and then reposition my machine and quilt the next horizontal line perfectly straight as well. So let's have a look at how we turn that easy glide feature on. Now I'm looking at the Q-matic screen, and in settings is where the easy glide is located. It's as simple as the push of a button to turn it on or off. But there are also easy glide settings, which allow you to determine the level of aid that you're receiving. I keep both mine at the top end, 0 to 40 for the X support, 0 to 20 for the Y. I have them at the top. That means the glide will kick in the most and glide along smoothly and easily. I want to be crystal clear. I'm not suggesting that you have to use Q-matic in order to do straight line quilting like this, just that you have it turned on so that you're able to take advantage of the easy glide feature. Be sure to catch the other videos in this Know Your Machine series.